Hi everyone, I am Dr. V.S. Nishal from EC Department, SNS College of Technology. Here we have gathered to discuss the design thinking topic, how we can design an efficient temperature monitoring and control system using a microcontroller. You can discuss the topic one by one based on the design thinking approach. You can start discussing.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today our team is performing design thinking brainstorming activity on temperature monitoring and control system. These problem statements involves in solving a real world problems in a simple and smarter ways. Now let us discuss in the design thinking basis on this problem statement.
Empathy. First, we understand the user problem. We observe the temperature reduces in many places. Temperature is not about comfort. It directly affects performance, safety, and efficiency. In homes and classrooms, inaccurate, excessive heat produces health issues and also reduces concentration. In electronic systems, the components may cause overheating and also damage. In hospitals and laboratories, sensitive components requires stable temperatures to produce give correct results. And also in industrial area, they can produces product output, and also the components overheat and are suddenly stop. In excessive in rooms becomes overheating, and also in food producing area, inaccurate temperature control produces bacterial growth and also food wastages. So the peoples are fluctuated, so they need a stable and reliable source that can monitor automatically and control temperature.
Let us clearly define the problem. In most of many existing temperature control system, there were many limitations like the monitoring system cannot continuously observe the temperature, and there were has to manual intervention. There is a person has to be observe the temperature manually, and the existing temperature control system are not quick responsive for the sudden temperature changes like increase or decreases. For this, we have to design a system that can control and automatically change the control the system. For the, I think we can define the problem statement. For this, we have to make a system that completely control and control the system.
So the system run automatically by not the human use.
Exactly.
So let us see the idea part. Our team members will discuss some ideas. First idea is by using the sensor, temperature sensor.
So and then we can also use some of the like microcontrollers for internal purposes, and also and like product like Arduino for that external purposes.
Yes, we can also use a LCD for to show the temperature of the system.
Yeah.
Batteries and power sources are unstable and the temperature is exceeding level. So to minimize this, we can use fan for cooling and also use buzzer for alerting.
So as we all said, so proposed systems contains four main parts: a sensors to detect temperature, and a microcontroller to control all these, and output devices like a fan or a bus alarm to indicate this temperature in level, and on display screen to show the temperature in a user to the users. So these all four components work together to and monitor the temperature and the control systems. So now we move to the prototype part.
Okay, let us see the prototype stage. Prototype is nothing but design a product roughly or to test it. To test it, we have some sketches and block diagram of our project. Our idea main we use the idea like using sensors, microprocessors, etc. Our working principle is sensor is used to measure the temperature. Microprocessor is used to process the data. By using this, we get the output as the automatic mentioned.
So now we can enter into a testing part. So in that we are going to test our mock product. So from that we are going to test the three things that what is means temperature detections. That is used for detecting the correct and absolute temperature. So and then the response time, the time which taken to respond the temperature and also give the correct readings. So and then the output control. So we also have to control the output in the same level. So with these tests, we get the results of the system that define the correct temperature accurately, and also the output fan is run automatically, and then the system is effective and useful. So from this testing, we can show that our product is useful.
So to conclude, through the design thinking brainstorm activity on basis, we practically designed a system to monitor the temperature automatically and to control the systems. This can be widely used in homes, laboratories, industries, and food storage godowns where correct temperature readings and the correct temperature is maintained to prevent from external factors. So this is widely used in efficient manner by for the automatic basis. So this is highly secure and efficient for the real world applications like many others. So thank you.
Okay, after seeing the discussion based on the different stages of design thinking, so we can conclude that with the help of design thinking approach, we can provide the better solution for any sort of problems in this world. Okay, thank you all for joining.
Thank you, sir.